Area of Extension Community Service at the university serves as an instrument for social and economic upliftment, focusing on developing human capital to generate tangible community advancement. The program's extension agenda operates within legal and institutional mandates, specifically Republic Act 7722, the Higher Education Act of 1994, Republic Act 10931, Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act, and the PUP Extension Management Office, EMO, framework. Guided by the University Extension Manual approved by the Board of Regents, the BSBA HRM program actively supports PUP Strategic Goal Pillar 2, Research and Extension. The program translates specialized business and human resource disciplines into responsive capability building interventions that enhance workforce readiness, organizational efficiency, and public service delivery across partner communities. The flagship project implemented by the BSBA HRM program is entitled SKTK, Microsoft Office and Professional Development Training for the Barangay Nutrition Scholars of Maragondon, Cavite, conducted from August 5th to 7th, 2025 at the PUP Maragondon Computer Laboratory Room. This training addressed the operational needs of 27 barangay nutrition scholars, serving as local health frontliners. The project aligns directly with United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 8, decent work and economic growth. The 3-day curriculum delivered a structured, output-based training design. Day 1 covered the training orientation on the first 1,000 days by DSWD, a lecture on ergonomics and proper workplace posture, and a hands-on workshop on Microsoft PowerPoint design and layout creation. Day 2 focused on technical data management, providing intensive modules on Microsoft Word for official document formatting and report writing, followed by Microsoft Excel for community health data handling and spreadsheet management. Day 3 concentrated on workplace professionalism through role-playing simulations, keyboarding drills, and typing speed assessments, followed by the formal presentation and evaluation of participant outputs. Complementing the Technical Productivity Program, the department executed Tech Bayan 2024, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship in Maragondon. Implemented in partnership with the local government unit of Maragondon, the Department of Science and Technology, DOST, and the Department of Trade and Industry, DTI. The project served as a Gender and Development GAD responsive platform aimed at eliminating informational and structural barriers for women entrepreneurs. Conducted on December 11th to 12th, 2024, during Maragondon Business Week, Tech Bayan 2024 delivered training on startup fundamentals, financial management, business registration, and digital transformation. The initiative included an MSME and startup exhibit that provided local women-led enterprises direct market visibility, consumer engagement, and institutional mentorship. The BSBA HRM Extension Unit executes programs through a standardized 4-stage process: pre-planning, formulation, implementation, and evaluation. Prior to implementation, an empirical needs assessment was conducted among the 27 barangay nutrition scholars. Demographic results indicated that 81% of respondents were female, 74% were married, and 74% earned a monthly family income of 10,000 pesos and below. Crucially, 74% explicitly identified basic computer literacy and office productivity as their primary training needed to resolve difficulties in data recording and reporting. Formalization followed through an institutional collaboration meeting with municipal officials on November 14, 2024, culminating in a notarized Memorandum of Agreement, MOA, executed between PUP Vice President Dr. Ana Ruby P. Gapasan and Municipal Mayor Lawrence N. Arca. Financial stewardship was maintained through a detailed line-item budget amounting to 62,284 pesos, covering documentation kits, IDs, certificates, and participant meals. Under the partnership framework, the project was 100% externally funded, with expenditures shouldered by the municipal government of Maragondon. Operational resources provided by PUP Maragondon campus included computer laboratory facilities, desktop terminals, software applications, and audiovisual equipment. Faculty involvement was institutionalized through Special Order Number 4467, Series of 2025, issued by University President Dr. Manuel M. Muhi. The extension team comprised 10 regular faculty members and 5 administrative personnel led by Project Leader Assistant Professor Minerva C. Piedad and Campus Director Dr. Agnes Y. Gonzaga. Ensuring interdisciplinary execution across all modules, the terminal evaluation demonstrated total program effectiveness. Post-training evaluation tools revealed that 100% of the 27 beneficiaries rated the program quality as excellent, and 100% rated project timeliness as excellent. The local government recognized these contributions through a plaque of recognition awarded to the faculty extensionist and certificates of appreciation conferred to the campus. These structured extension projects are reinforced by annual community outreach programs. In conclusion, the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration major in Human Resource Management program demonstrates adherence to accreditation benchmarks by deploying sustainable, needs-based extension projects that advance public service and community empowerment.
Pasasalamat mula sa MNOW ng Barangay Nutrition Scholars. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Sa ngalan po ng lahat ng Barangay Nutrition Scholars ng Maragondon, Cavite, nais ko pong ipaabot ang aming taos-pusong pasasalamat sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines Maragondon Campus sa pagsasagawa ng SKTK, Microsoft Office and Professional Development Training for the Barangay Nutrition Scholars of Maragondon, Cavite na isinagawa noong Agosto 5-7-2025. Bilang President, Chief ng aming grupo, personal ko pong nakita kung gaano kalaki ang naitulong ng training na ito sa aming mga miyembro. Bilang mga Barangay Nutrition Scholars, marami po kaming ginagawa na nangangailangan ng computer skills tulad ng paggawa ng mga reports, pag-encode ng mga datos, pag-aayos ng mga dokumento, paggawa ng presentations at bapang administrative na gawain. Sa pamamagitan po ng training na isinagawa ng PUP, marami kaming bagong natutunan tungkol sa paggamit ng Microsoft Office applications. Hindi lamang po namin natutunan ang mga basic na paggamit ng mga programa, kundi nabigyan din kami ng pagkakataong magsanay at gamitin mismo ang mga natutunan namin. Malaking bagay po ito sa aming trabaho dahil mas naging confident at mahusay ang aming mga miyembro sa paggamit ng computer. Mas napapadali na rin po namin ang paggawa ng aming mga dokumento at reports, kaya mas magiging maayos at mabilis ang aming mga gawain. Lubos din po naming pinapahalagaan ang professional development training dahil sa pinaalala nito sa amin na mahalaga ang patuloy na pagkatuto sa pagpapaunlad ng mga aming mga kakayahan. Kahit matagal na po kaming nagsisilbi sa aming mga barangay, marami pa rin po kaming maaaring matutunan upang mas mapabuti ang aming serbisyo sa komunidad. Nagpapasalamat din po kami sa mga faculty at trainers ng PUP dahil sa kanilang pasensya, kaalaman at dedikasyon sa pagtuturo sa amin. Hindi po nila ipinagdamot ang kanilang kaalaman at talagang ginabayan nila kami sa bawat activity and hands-on exercise. Para sa amin, ang training na ito ay hindi lamang isang simpleng seminar. Isa itong makabuluhang pagkakataon upang matuto, mapaunlad ang aming sarili at maging mas mahusay ang aming mga tungkulin bilang Barangay Nutrition Scholars. Malaking pasasalamat din po namin sa PUP Maragondon Campus dahil dito, hindi lamang po nito binibigyan pansin ang mga estudyante nito, kundi umaabot din po ang serbisyo at kaalaman nito sa mga komunidad. Ipinapakita po ng programming ito ang tunay na kahalagahan ng community extensions at partnership. Sa ngalan po ng lahat ng Barangay Nutrition Scholar ng Maragondon, maraming salamat po sa PUP Maragondon Campus, sa inyong administrasyon, mga faculty members, trainers at sa lahat ng naging bahagi ng matagumpay na programang ito. Umaasa po kami na magpapatuloy ang magandang ugnayan at partnership ng PUP at ng mga barangay nutrition scholars ng Maragondon. Sana po ay marami pa tayo may sagawang training at community extensions programs na makatulong sa aming professional development at higit sa lahat sa pagpapabuti ng serbisyong na ibibigay namin sa aming mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po, PUP Maragondon Campus, sa inyong kaalaman, suporta at malasakit sa aming mga barangay nutrition scholars. Malaki po ang naging ambag ninyo sa aming pag-unlad bilang community workers. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang PUP Maragondon Campus.
Mapagpalang umaga po sa atin lahat. Ako po bilang barangay nutritionist ng Maragondon, Cavite ay taos puso nagpapasalamat sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maragondon Campus, sa pagsasagawa ng STK, Microsoft Office and Professional Development Training for the Barangay Nutritionist Scholar of Maragondon, Cavite. Ito po ay nangyayari noong August 5 to 7 last year, 2025. Malaking tulong po ito sa akin, ang training na ito, dahil marami akong natutunan na maaari kong gamitin sa akin pang araw-araw na gawin bilang PNS. Kabilang dito ang tamang paggamit ng computer, ng mga Microsoft Office applications na umalaga sa paggawa ng mga dokumento, reports, records, at iba pang mga kailangang ihanda sa aking trabaho. Malaking bagay po sa akin ang mga hands-on activities at aktual na pagsasanay na isinagawa ng mga trainers mula po sa PUP. Hindi lamang po nila ipinaliwanag mga konsepto, kundi binigyan nila kami ng pagkakataong magsanay at subukan ang mismo ang aming mga natutunan. Dahil dito, mas naging kumpiyansa po ako sa paggamit ng computer at sa paggawa ng aking mga kinakailangan dokumento. Nakatulong din po ang aking training upang mapahusay ang aming professional skills. Natutunan namin kung paano maging organisado, mas epesyente, at mas maingat sa paggawa ng aming mga tungkulin. Ang mga kaalamang ito ay nakatulong upang mas mapabilis at mapabuti namin ang aming serbisyo sa mga pamilya at mamamayan ng aming barangay. Lubos po namin pinahalaga ng oras, kaalaman, at pagsisikap ng mga guro at staff ng PUP Maragondon Campus. Nakakatuwa po na ang PUP ay lumalapit sa aming mga komunidad at nagbibigay ng mga programang tumutugon sa aming mga pangangailangan bilang mga community workers. Sa pamamagitan po ng training na ito, napagtanto ko na ang pagkatuto ay hindi nagtatapos sa paaralan. Kahit ako yung nagtatrabaho na sa komunidad, mahalaga pa rin ang patuloy na pagkatuto at pag-unlad ng aking kasanayan upang mas maging mahusay ako sa aking mga tungkulin. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa PUP of Maragondon Campus sa pagbibigay ng pagkakataong matuto, mapaunlad ang aking mga kakayahan. Ang mga kaalaman at kasanayang natutunan ko ay hindi lamang para sa aking sarili, kundi gagamitin ko upang mas mapahusay at mas epektibong makapaglingkod sa aking barangay at komunidad. Umaasa po ako na magpapatuloy ang magandang ugnayan at pagtutulungan ng PUP Maragondon Campus at ng mga barangay nutritionist scholars ng Maragondon, Cavite. At magkaroon pa ng maraming community extension programs na makakatulong sa aking personal at professional na pag-unlad. Maraming salamat po, PUP Maragondon Campus, sa inyong malasakit, suporta at pagbabahagi ng inyong kaalaman at expertise. Malaking tulong po ang inyong programa sa amin at sa mga komunidad na aking pinaglilingkuran. Muli po, ako po si Melissa Piedra de Santo ng Barangay Kaingin. Maraming salamat.